Not trying to get tagged. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. Oh, don't touch him. Hey. This guy's really dumb, he was walking right past me. Gotta get somewhere high. Where can I get somewhere that's really high where no one can get me? Why are you guys bullying me? No. One speed. I have to pay. Oh, chest. Oh, dang, for 25 Robux. No, no, I don't want to. I don't want to pay that. Red. Alright, that's a little more cheaper, but do you have one for 5? Oh, there we go. 10. 10. Oh my god. I'm staying alive. No, I don't want to pay. Jesus Christ, 1. 3. No, he's been frozen. Oh, no, great, now he's been a red team. Uh-oh. I think he's following me. Oh, yep, he's following me. There's been one red team following me, I think. Why is everyone going to frozen ice? When does this end? In 2 minutes? Oh my god. This is gonna suck. I only have 730 cash. 35 cash. This sucks. What do chests do? What's this one? No! Why did you bring them to me? I hate you. Oh, I'll grab you. Grab her. Good. Oh, get that guy. Okay. Oh no, I got tagged though. Oh, guess guarding there. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, you got jokes, son. Haha. Dang it. Okay, I have a minute left. Oh, girl, you're totally gonna get captured. Not me, though. I'm winning. I'm winning my butt off. Don't care about you, dang. Can I not? No, I got frozen! Yes! I don't care, I just broke out. I don't care how much Robux I spent. That. I want to respawn. No, I have a red team following me. Ah! No! 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 Now give me one, girl! Oh, double chest! I'm scared! I'm scared for my life! Break her out! Oh, what do I do? No! I got frozen again! I'm not spending more Robux. I don't care. Someone come and freeze me. No! Please! Oh, wait, now I'm a high. Now I'm a seeker. Wait, what is this? Spend the spectate. Got you, got you, got you, got you, got you, got you. Okay, we got everybody. Wait for the counters to go down. Oh, got you. Let's go! Let's go! I won that, boy! What is this? I don't want to purchase a thing. My character's not focused. Ooh. Ooh, it's like an obstacle course. Ah. really difficult. Pretty awesome though. Oh, so you can't jump that far. Run. I want to run. Wait, what am I? Okay, I can open these. Thank you. What I got though? Wait, I'm a red team? Oh, it's whatever color you want to be. Well, I picked red, so now I'm red. Get me out of here. I don't want to be in here. How do I get out of this place? Okay, there's my friends. There's blue people. Got you, son. Got you. No. Get the rich guy. Got you. Oh. Yeah, got him. Ow, something hurting me. I am almost dead. Something keeps hitting me over there. Oh, spectate. Something keeps almost killing me. I'm not having it. Okay, yeah, I'm almost dead. It's something over there that keeps hitting me. Hey, something keeps killing me. Okay, cool, I got another invite. What do I get for this? Damn it. Hey, guys, stay away from me. Scratch, I'm a fan. Well, thank you. But, yeah, thank you. Oh, cool, more easier. Blue team. The heck is this lightning? I'll rather have that. Wait, what? How am I red? I picked. You get frozen. And you get frozen. You get frozen. Sketch, please. No, sorry, but just stand near that hurts me. Oi! Oh, boss fight hurts. Let's stand near that. No, girl. No, all you guys are gonna get frozen. All of you. Get frozen. Got you. Nope. Girl. Okay, I'm already almost halfway dead already. And this I just started. I'm almost halfway dead. Keep the girl out. I died for no reason. Why do I die? Just tell me. Why? Why do I die? This is literally... Dude, I'm not touching those lasers. Okay, that's not fair. I didn't know you could push people off. Godzilla, move, boy! Hitmaster, get out of my way. What the fudge are you not? Okay, so you cannot touch that then. Wait, good to know. Which ones can you do? You cannot touch that one. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Yeah. Hitmaster. I jumped on this man's head. I had that. Hey girl, you jump first. Got an invite. Ooh, one. Oh, cool. I got glass goggles. What do I do with these items? Oh, I wear them. When was I wearing this? On. Where? 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 Oh, you can't wear... Oh, I only have one face. Dang it. My body types? No. Okay, no, I don't want that hair. But I can't wear all of them. I'll just wear these. Yeah. Now I look good. Like a good boy. Girl, I swear to God, boy. That's how you do it. Girl, move. What? How does this make total sense? Okay. Ah. See, boys? And you just have to try to, like, make it. That's hard. That's hard without trying to touch the lasers. Thanks for watching.